So we're gonna do our NVDA update, and so you guys recall, I have a playlist setups where I track and kind of update you guys. So on Friday, I made a video and said NVIDIA is so close to a breakdown. So watch the 167 level, what's it level, and or the August monthly candle, as I explained to you guys earlier that week or sometime the week before, what you should be looking for if this is going to break down or break out. It chose to break down, and you can see once it lost that 167 level, it just dumped. So positions are very green. None of this is financial advice. So what I would say is, first thing, obviously watch for the gap fill, 157.82. So me personally, I just have a trailing stop set to trigger once the gap is filled. If my trailing stop goes off, then it takes profit if the trade starts to reverse. If not, if it continues down, then I just stay in and we roll. So I actually have some September 9th puts that I got into on that breakdown. It was vicious. That was a monster reversal. So that's like, what, 2 weeks from now? Notice that I did not get this week's expiration, which at the time on Friday would have been 7 days. No, I went to the week next after that, right? And I'm already looking to take profit. I ain't finna play, you feel me? So I got a trailing stop set. That's how you do it, because you don't want to just be exiting trades just to exit them. You have to have some kind of exit plan. That's my exit plan. Just set a trailing stop, let it run for as long as it want to run. Take profit if it starts to reverse. And what I'd be looking for, me personally, at some point in time, maybe this week, maybe never, maybe it never comes back to retest this 164. Let's call it 165 to 168 price level, right? 164 to 160. I'm sorry, 165 to 168.33 price level. Somewhere up in there, I'd be looking for a retest. Longer to medium or medium term, you kind of see we just basically wedging. And if I had to imagine, we'd be headed back down here. I personally just don't think these lows are going to hold. I've been saying that. And I can't tell you for sure that it's going down there. This is what I think. I mean, we need levels to break, but we're going to get down there. So something else to look at is if you just take this trend line and kind of say something cool like that, and then extend that out. Got another little line to watch. So 1, 2, flip, hold, and yeah, just kind of telling you to watch this area down here. Like I say, use the trend lines for a guide. Now, I know that this 115.67 level was critical support. So whatever we do there, we got to trade. And I like to think of support and resistance as like magnets. Once stocks have momentum, they kind of push to them. So it pushed to this 135 price level, held a little bit above it, bounced. So I think the first place we would go, medium to longer term, not like tomorrow, would be 135. If 135 don't hold, then you look at that 123 price area right here. That don't hold. Then you look at that 115.67, 116 price level. Then longer term, if that don't hold, then we looking at this 73 to 79 price area, which I've said again and again that I'm thinking longer term we go down there. So maybe I won't do many more updates until then, because it won't be, I mean, this is it. Like, just watch your levels, keep your stops tight. It's not financial advice. If something crazy comes up, I'll definitely make another video, but just assume that I won't make more videos on this for a little while, because I think this gives us a pretty clear direction of where we headed. Gap fill, retest, breakdown of support. That's what you want to look for. If this retest fails and it breaks to the upside, then we go high. But that's what you got to watch. I'll catch y'all later.